Disclaimer: the contents within this video are supplemental to the safety lessons taught in class by the tech ed teacher and is not the definitive last word on the subject at hand. No person or student should attempt to follow any of the safety guidelines herein or use equipment until they have received safety training from the tech ed teacher within the shop itself and only after completing their safety demonstration and written test. When using the chop saw, always check the blade for damage. Lift the guard with one hand and rotate the blade carefully with your other hand, looking for any damage such as cracks or chips. Material must always be clamped down to the vise to prevent movement. Movement may cause the disc to shatter or the material to fly back at us, causing us to get injured. To use the vise, you may either turn it counterclockwise to back the movable jaw out, or flip up the quick release latch and pull it back and push it forward to move the jaw. Place material into the table, onto the table, into the jaws. Push forward on the movable jaw. Flip the lever forward if needed, and turn clockwise to tighten up. Turn counterclockwise to loosen and remove. Flat material must always be cut flat, never on edge. Angle stock must be cut point up, never on edge. When cutting, both hands need to be on the cut handle, standing off to the side whenever possible. When cutting, start the chop saw with the blade not touching the metal, and then slowly lower it down to the metal. Ease it into the metal, and then push gently and firmly to finish the cut. Do not force the cut, or you will damage the blade. When done, release the handle, return to the upright position. When you finish the cut, be very aware of the cut ends. They are both hot and sharp and can cut you. Use a glove if needed to pick up hot pieces and cool them off in the sink. When using the chop saw, we use, in addition to safety glasses, which we always wear, a face shield to protect our face in case of damage to the blade and it shatters, and hair protection because this tool is very loud. When using this machine, it is recommended to use gloves because of the heat it generates in the sharp edges, especially if the part is very small. It is not required, but recommended. Now, the whole package put together.